We are headed to Don's TV and Repair in Milwaukee, which looks like a repair shop, but when you give a secret code, it's actually a 90s themed diner. We made it! Alright, so excited. Okay, enter through here, through 7-Up door. Don's grocery store and liquor. Oh my gosh. Hello. Can I have an ice cold 7-Up, please?
Please watch your stuff right here.
Yes. We're in this little area here. So we got an awesome drink menu here. So they're like pretty much known for their boozy shakes, or you can build your own. They have all these fun cocktails. They have 10-cent martinis on Thursdays. And then lots of food, TV dinners, all-day breakfast, fruity pebble pancakes. Okay, we got, these are boozy milkshakes. We got strawberry shake, pizza fries, burgers, chicken, and then we got some fruity pebble pancakes. All right, we did it. We have to come out of this back door. Exit.